Conduction heat transfer. Conduction is a mode of heat transfer where more energetic particles transfer into less energetic particles due to difference in temperature. So this is an example of conduction which you can see here. Here you can see that the direction of transfer is like this, because this here the more energetic particles are occur because this is a red hot metal and here the temperature is less, so energy will transfer from this direction to this direction. Okay, so this is an example of conduction, and you can also see the example of conduction in your home when you keep utensil on stove or gas and you see that the handle of that utensil becomes hot after some time. This happens because of the conduction where the more energetic particles transfer into the less energetic particles region, right? So to define the conduction heat transfer, we use a Fourier's law of conduction. What Fourier's law of conduction say? Fourier's law of conduction say that the rate of heat conduction, that is Q, through a plane wall is proportional to the temperature difference. Temperature difference means delta T, which is the driving force across the layer, and the heat transfer area that is A, but inversely proportional to the thickness. Suppose thickness is here X. You can see here a plane wall where the direction of heat transfer is in this direction. Okay, and here is the temperature is T1 of this surface and temperature of T2 of this surface. Heat is transferring in this direction because here the temperature is T1 and here is temperature is T2, and if we suppose that T1 is greater than T2, then heat will transfer into this direction, right? And this is the area of heat transfer, that is the area, and this is a X, that is a thickness. Why I have written here delta X? Because if I assume the length from the axis, then it will be X1 and it will be X2. That's why I have written here delta X, right? And this is a K is a thermal conductivity. I'll define it later. Here what Fourier's law of heat conduction say that the Q conduction means heat transfer rate of conduction is equal to minus Ka delta T by delta X. When I want to replace this proportional sign, then delta K, that is a thermal conductivity, comes into the picture and it becomes Ka delta T by delta X. Why here is minus sign? Because heat is transferring from higher temperature to lower temperature. That's why here is minus sign, because when you will write delta T as a difference, then it will be right here T2 minus T1 because final to initial, and then you will multiply this minus sign within this bracket, then it will become positive and T2 becomes negative, right? And when I take it differential, means when I take delta X equal to 0, not equal to 0, tends to 0, then this formula comes into the picture, which is a Fourier's law of heat conduction. Delta dt by dx is a temperature gradient which is a driving force for heat transfer. Please let me in the comments box what is a driving force for fluid mechanics or momentum transfer and mass transfer. And I have already told you what is a thermal conductivity. Okay, so thermal conductivity is a property of material which measure the ability of material to conduct heat. Means what is the ability of that metal to conduct the heat. Like gold will have different ability, silver will have different ability, and the wood will have different ability. I hope you understand what is conduction heat transfer. If you want to watch full video, then you can see the full video in the comments box. I have given the link and you can also see via I button. Thank you.